Smile.
It's been a long time since I could smile.
Yeah.
And this man and his team have given me my life back.
We got your final teeth. How do they feel?
They feel really good. I haven't been able to see them yet.
You're excited to see them,
a
huh?
good stopper over here.
Well, a couple days ago, we even went into the design center and you added the final little touches to your teeth. So I'm excited to see because you're the one that designed these. So.
I know, but I told you, please don't let me mess up my teeth.
I wouldn't have let you mess them up. They're just those final touches. So let's see what you think. Here you go.
Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my God. I have my canines back.
Those are the final touches, and I think they look amazing. It's not my smile, it's your smile.
They are so beautiful.
They are absolutely gorgeous. Let me see.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kendall.
You're welcome.
Thank
I
you.
love that. Thank you so much.
You have really done more than for me than you can imagine. You really have, because not only have you put up with all my mood swings and everything, God, and your whole office.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm sure you don't, Dr. Kendall. In a minute, but thank you. You changed my life.
You're welcome. Give us one more smile. I want you to look at that one
Yeah.
more time. Look at it. I want you to look at it.
Yeah, I love it. I do. I love it. Yeah, I do.
That's
Thank
your
you
smile.
so much.
That's your smile. I love it.
And they're not so perfect. They look fake.
They're perfect for you.
Yeah.
That's what I love.
I love them.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.